Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water inlet valve in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver and a 12mm open-ended wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water inlet valve. The water inlet valve is located at the rear of the refrigerator on the left side behind the cover. It allows water that comes through the water filter to be sent to the ice maker and to the water dispenser based on demand. If water is not getting into the ice maker or the water dispenser, the water inlet valve should be checked and replaced if needed. To get to the part, we need to remove this rear access cover. It held in place by 5 Phillips screws. I'm going to take them one by one out. And now we're going to pull it up to release the bottom retainers. There's 3 hooks at the bottom. We're going to pull it up. Now it's a good time to place the towel underneath of the water valve. And now we can disconnect the water line on the top. I'm going to use the 12mm wrench. And I'm going to turn this nut counterclockwise and pull this water line out. I'm going to place the towel here underneath, and then using a Phillips screwdriver, we're going to take out this screw and we're going to pull out the water inlet valve. Next, we're going to remove these plugs. I'm going to push down on the plugging tab, and I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver and pry this off. And then this one, push down on this and pull it off. So I'm going to open this clip and pull out the water line, and there's green wires that give us some more freedom. Next step would be opening this retainer. I'm going to insert the flathead screwdriver right here and pry it open. So now we can remove it. And put it aside. We're going to use it with a new valve. So now we're going to take out these 2 lines. We need to pull out the locking rings from both of them. And then press the collar and pull out the line. Press the collar in and pull out the line. This is the old water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, let's install the new valve. I'm going to take this thicker water line and we're going to push it into this larger opening. That black line should be all the way in. Okay, next we're going to place the thinner one. Make sure that these locking rings are on. And now I'm going to put on the bracket. I'm going to put it on, push it on. And now I'm going to lock it. Okay. Next would be connecting the power plugs. You can't mix them up because they're different size as the different terminal size here. Now I'm going to install this water line into the retainer together with the green wires. We're going to install the valve onto the cabinet. This tab will lock into this cutout. And then we're going to secure it with the Phillips screw. So now we're going to install this water line connected to the water valve. It comes with a new nut, but if the old one is in a good shape and the connection is not damaged, we can use the old nut and the connector. Otherwise, we need to cut it off approximately at 3/4 of an inch from the end, and then pull the line in and use a new nut. Push it on all the way, and I'm going to tighten the nut. And I'm going to use the 12mm wrench, tighten it, turning it clockwise, looking from the top. And next we're going to turn on the water and check if there's no water leaks at this joint. And actually at those two too. So we're going to use the water dispenser and see if it's going to leak or not. Now we can remove the towel. Okay, now is the time to install the rear cover panel. These 1, 2, and 3 hooks at the base will engage with the 1, 2, and 3 slots on the cover. So I'm going to start with this one, pull it down, and the middle one, and the right side. And then I'm going to secure it with the 5 Phillips screws. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.